how to insert page number in Word from specific page. Now this is going to be very interesting tutorial, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this done. So say for example we are going to insert let's say around here. Now what we are going to do is basically insert a page break here, and to do that I want you to go ahead and click the layout, and then under the breaks you're going to click it and you should be able to see here next page. So if you're going to click this one, it is going to bring this section over to the next page, because again we are going to insert a page number here. Now the next thing that we are going to do is head over to insert, and then from here what you are going to do is look for page number. I want to put this at the top of the page because I want you guys to be able to see it. Now if you are going to go ahead and see page 1, you have there 2, and then you have here 3. So if you're going to scroll down, this is 4, but we are going to change this one into page 1. And to do that, what we are going to do is click this one here, link to previous. So basically what we did is we just removed the link between them, and then we're going to go ahead and basically click insert once again, page number, and then click format page numbers. Now here click start at and then choose 1. So click OK, and there you go. So now you have page 1, but if you're going to look at the top, you have page 3, 2, and then 1. And if you want to delete them, just go ahead and highlight, delete. We no longer have to do the same thing here because they are automatically deleted. So there goes page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and so on and so forth. So basically that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.